In this section, we're going to look at unsupervised k-means clustering in Scikit-learn. Hopefully, we're going to understand what the k-means clustering algorithm does, look at an example problem, apply data preparation and pre-processing, implement k-means clustering, and improve performance and hyperparameter fitting. So what does the unsupervised k-means clustering algorithm do? We've got just one aim here, and that's to understand the principle of operation behind k-means clustering. So, step 1, we take an initial set of input points, and k, the number k, initial centroid positions. We label the points nearest to each centroid with the centroid label, and we update the centroid to be the mean of the points of each set of labeled points. So imagine we've been given points defined with 2 variables, in grey, and 3 centroids, red, yellow, and blue. Centroids can also be picked randomly. We're going to label the points nearest each centroid with the same colour or label. I haven't done this perfectly, but you get the schematic idea. Now we're going to move the centroid to be at the centre of the new set of points. I've exaggerated how far it moves here just so you can do this quickly, but it would sort of gradually move as we update the points each time. So let's say this is moved nearer to this point, this is moved nearer to these points, and this is moved nearer to these points. Then we repeat this step again. So we label the set of points nearest to each centroid with the same colour. And you can see by doing this iteratively, we get a tighter and tighter cluster of points, where each point within a cluster is more similar to the same point in that cluster than any other point. So, k-means clustering finds the tightest possible clusters. Hopefully we've understood the principle of operation behind k-means clustering.